Good morning, dear students. This time we are going to go for session of GK. So this time session for GK of class 8 it is. Okay. 11th chapter is your proverbs and phrases. There is a difference between phrase and sentence. Sentence combination of word that make complete sense. Phrase words, group of words that make incomplete sense. Okay, that is the difference between phrase and sentence. So the sentence is written or one hint is given based on which you have to give the popular phrase. Okay, listen to the things very carefully so that you understand the meaning of these phrases. Okay, final drinking tube. First phrase is your final drinking tube. Here the final drinking tube means last straw. Now what is the meaning of last straw? Straw with the help of which you can sip the things. That is straw, the pipe from which you drink the thing. And last pipe, last straw. There is an inert meaning of last straw. The meaning of last straw means last unpleasant thing. आखिरी जो बुरा चीज हो रहा है, right? That is the meaning of last straw. For example, suppose you wake up early in the morning, something fell on your head. Then when you get started up for the school, your shirt get torn off. Then when you get out of the house, you missed your bus. That means there is a series of unpleasant things. There is a series of bad experiences, you can say. So the last bad experience is considered as last straw. आखिरी बुरा चीज जो होता है, that is known as last straw. Okay? जब बहुत सारे बुरी चीजों में लास्ट का जो बुरा चीज हुआ, that was the last straw. To be last in the sequence, in the series of unpleasant things. Okay? बुरे चीजों में आखिरी बुरा चीज, last straw. Okay? Another is your recapture. Capturing once again, taking once again, once respiration. किसी का सांस ले लेना. That means catch one's breath. Okay, phrase for that is catch one's breath. Now what is the meaning of catch one's breath? Suppose somebody stop breathing because of fear or because of surprise. सरप्राइज के चलते या फिर फियर, डर के मारे सांस रुक जाना. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कैच वंस ब्रेथ. ओके, सो रिकैप्चर वंस रेस्पिरेशन मीन्स कैच वंस ब्रेथ. ओके, थर्ड थिंग इज कॉन्फ्रंट द ट्यून. So tuning up of things. So when confront the tune, confront means to face, tune means music. So face the music. Face the music means, suppose if you have done something wrong, something bad, then you have to face the result also. You have to face the consequence also. गलत किए हो तो बुरा तो भुगतना ही पड़ेगा. That is the meaning of face the music. If you have done a wrong thing, face the music, dear. That is the only thing. Okay, so if something has been done wrong, something has been done bad, you have to face the result. You have to be ready for the result. That is the meaning of face the music. Another sentence states, peruse lines below one but above the other. Peruse lines below one but above the other, which means read between the lines. It means read between the lines. Okay. Now what is the meaning of read between the lines? Spelling is L-I-N-E-S. Okay. Read between the lines. If somebody tells you read between the lines, what does it mean? It means looking for the meaning that is implied rather than explicitly stated. Okay, that means कह कुछ रहा है मगर मीनिंग कुछ और बनता है. Okay, that is the meaning of read between the lines. Okay, that means if I don't have a single penny in my pocket, मेरे पॉकेट में तो एक सिंगल पेनी नहीं है, एक पैसा नहीं है, but I am telling I am going to buy a car by tomorrow or a day after tomorrow. एक कार जरूर खरीदूंगा कल या परसों. That means telling something, condition is different. So this is the meaning of read between the lines. You can also use the phrases read between the lines. It seems as if Mohan is always speaking read between the lines. That means he is always speaking orthodox statement which is not accurate to the situation. Okay, so this is the meaning of read between the lines. Another statement is diversity, that means difference, different things, is the seasoning of existence, which means variety is spice of life. Doing different things can make the life enjoyable, can fill your life with spices. Okay, meaning is very clear. Variety is spice of life. That means doing different things can lead to enjoyment in your life. If you do different things, it will bring enjoyment to your life. So variety is the spice of life. Okay. Another question states, given below are the explanation of some common proverbs. Some common proverbs are given. Can you guess them? Now you have to give a proverb for them. First sentence, you can make it easy for someone to do something, but you cannot force them to do it. Time and again I am telling you, this line gives to a hint. एक घोड़े को पानी के पास लाया जा सकता है, मगर 10 लोग मिलकर भी उसे जबरदस्ती पानी नहीं पिला सकते हैं. Right? So you can make it easy for someone to do something, but you cannot force them to do it. कोई किसी से कुछ काम करा सकता है, लेकिन फोर्सफुली कुछ चीजें बिल्कुल नहीं कराई जा सकती हैं. Right? So you can lead a horse, you can take a horse to water, but you cannot make it to drink. घोड़े को पानी के पास लाया जा सकता है, मगर जबरदस्ती उसे पानी नहीं पिलाई जा सकती है. Right? Yes. Another line, when you are visiting another place, you should follow the customs of the people in that place. Okay, that means you are visiting different place, you have to follow the custom of people in that place. जैसा देश वैसा वेश, जैसी जगह पे रहोगे वैसा कस्टम अपनाना पड़ेगा. So in Rome, the proverb for that is, in Rome one should be Roman. In Rome one should be Roman. अगर सारे बदमाश ही हैं तो उनके बीच में बदमाश बनना ही पड़ेगा. That only the proverb is. So in Rome one should be Roman is the famous phrase. Okay. Third phrase, do not be too confident of success. Do not be too confident of success till you actually achieve it, because things may still go wrong. ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट मत हो सक्सेस के बारे में जब तक अचीव ना कर लो, जब तक हासिल ना कर लो, क्योंकि कुछ गलत भी हो सकता है, राइट? सो डू नॉट काउंट योर चिकन, डू नॉट काउंट योर चिकन बिफोर दे हैच. इससे पहले कि मुर्गियां निकले उनको काउंट करना बेवकूफी है. कुछ मर भी सकती हैं, कुछ गायब भी हो सकती हैं, कुछ चुराए भी जा सकते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज द एक्यूरेट मीनिंग ऑफ इट. ओके. Fourth question, foolish people are usually the ones who talk the most and the loudest. जो foolish people होते हैं वो होते हैं जो सबसे ज्यादा बोलते हैं और सबसे तेज बोलते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा जोर से बोलते हैं. इसके लिए फ्रेज है empty vessels make much noise. खाली बर्तन ज्यादा आवाज करते हैं, राइट? empty vessels make most noise, 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 शोर करना. ओके. Fifth phrase, avoid bringing up things that happened in the past. जो पास्ट में हुआ उसको अवॉइड करो. That means जो हो गया हो गया. So as to prevent further problems, ताकि आगे प्रॉब्लम ना आए. उसके लिए क्या फ्रेज है? Let sleeping dogs lie. सोए हुए कुत्ते को पड़ा रहने दो. ओके. Let sleeping dogs lie. So this is about the phrase. Okay. Moving on to the next chapter, chapter number 12. Pick the correct phrase. आपको correct phrase चुनना है. You have to choose the correct phrase. Did you remember dash the parcel? Did you remember to post, post or posting? You have to choose one of the appropriate phrase. Correct option. Did you remember to post the parcel? So first is your to post. Okay. Put a tick mark to it. Did you remember to post the parcels? Nothing happened at the meeting. Didn't it? Does it or did it? It will be did it. Nothing happened at the meeting. Did it? Okay. Third one is you won't forget to email the files. Question mark. You will not forget to email the files. Will you? Because it is a don't forget to, it will be a sentence of future. So question mark will also be in the future. Will you? The fish is dash delicious. Really, very, completely. The fish is really delicious. Okay. Fifth one, I cannot find my keys everywhere, anywhere, somewhere. I cannot find my keys because I have not got it anywhere. It will be anywhere. I cannot find my keys anywhere. So you have to fill anywhere. Put a tick mark in the B. I would rather you dash to me like that in front of the customer. I would rather you did not speak to me like that in front of the customer. So these are the common sentence, the way by which it will be written. Okay. Seventh one, the court dash him to 5 years in prison. So for court, the correct order will not be ordered, it will be sentenced. The court sentenced him to 5 years in prison. Eighth question, can you tell me when dash leaving, when the train is leaving? So can you tell me when the train is leaving? Okay. It is about time. We left it in nearly midnight. It is about the time. It is about time. We left it in the nearly midnight. That is a common sentence. Okay. He has been working there for already or since. He has been are the correct answers. If you can't able to see the pencil mark, the answers were been provided, and if you still didn't get the answer, you tell me. Sometimes I'll give it in your WhatsApp, no problem. Okay. Now another chapter will be your slippery snakes. Yes. What is the meaning of slippery? What do you mean by the term slippery? The word slippery means gliding, slipping, moving. Okay. Slippery snakes, gliding snakes, slipping snakes. It is not meaning slipping. सोने वाला नहीं है, फिसलने वाला है. Slip. Okay, SLIP. The person slipped and fell down. Okay. So you have to put a true or false about the snake. The black mamba is named after the color of its skin. We give the name black mamba because of color of the skin. Because of color of its skin. It is false. The snake is not named black because of the color of the skin. Okay. Because it is very dangerous, very poisonous, very furious. That's why the name has been given black mamba. South America's green anaconda is a member of the bow family. Yes, the great bow family. So this South America's green anaconda is the member of bow family. Okay, it is true. So you put a true to it. Third question: king cobras are the only snakes in the world that build a nest. That is true. King cobra are the snakes which build the nest. Okay. Another question is: Burmese pythons have poor eyesight. Burmese pythons have poor eyesight. Yes, they can't see clearly. So it is true. Death adders are non-poisonous snakes that kill their prey by constricting them. False. Death adders are non-poisonous snakes that kill their prey by constricting them. It's a false statement. Death adders can't kill the prey by constricting them. Okay. The ridge-nosed and the diamond-backed are snakes. These are the name of the snakes that belong to the bow family. No. Anaconda belongs to the bow family. Diamond-back and ridge-nosed are not the family of bow. False it is. The eyelash palm pit viper, okay, get its name from the upturned scales above its eyes. Yes, because of upturned scale above its eye, eyelash palm pit viper has been named. It's true. Another question is taipans. Taipans are a family of large, fast and highly venomous. Venomous means poisonous snakes found in Europe. So taipans are venomous snakes found in Europe. False. They are not venomous snakes of Europe. Okay. So this is about your chapter. Now adaptation in living things. Okay, adaptation. How does one adapt itself? You everyone look at the book and then answer. Complete these names with the help of given clues. Some clue is given and you have to fill the clue, or you can say you have to complete the clue. The long thin beak of this bird, long thin beak of this bird is adapted to extract pollen from certain flowers. What is the name of this bird? This is hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D. It is hummingbird. Okay, it is a hummingbird which has long thin beak. Okay, and bird is extracted to extract pollen grains from the flower. Another question: this animal lives in Arctic region region, in Arctic region, polar region, and has a thick layer of fat for the purpose of insulation and the storage of energy. It is polar bear. Okay, polar bear is the animal. Another question. This animal has bushy eyelashes. Eyelashes of this animal are bushy and hair-lined nostrils that stop, what is the word? That stop sand from getting into the eye and nose. That means this bushy eyelash prevents the sand from getting into the eyes and nose of this animal. That is camel. Yes, the desert of the ship. Sorry, the ship of the desert. Camel. Right? Now this plant has a widespread root system. Wide roots are there of this plant that can collect water from large area. Cactus. Because in sand there is scarcity of water, so the cactus spread its root to collect the water, right? So the cactus elongates its root. Roots are very large, spreading across every corner to take the water from the ground from anywhere, wherever there is a water. Okay, that's why the roots of the cactus are very widespreaded. They are spreaded out. Okay. Another question is here, the long legs of this animal. Mind you, the long legs of this animal allow it to run as fast as 35 miles per hour. That means this animal runs with the speed of 35 miles per hour over short distance. That means it's a giraffe. Okay? It's a giraffe that runs with the speed of 35 miles per hour with the help of its long legs. Another question is the wavy strips of this animal. There are stripes over the body of this animal. Helps it to blend with the tall grass around it. That means in between the tall grass it can hide itself. Okay, so it is zebra, right? Zebra has stripes, black and white stripes on his body that help it to hide in the grasses. Okay. Another question is, this reptile changes colors to blend it with the background. What is the name of the reptile that changes its color? It is chameleon, right? Chameleon. Chameleon is the reptile which changes its colors. Okay, clear? Another question is a climbing plant. It is a climbing plant. Its beautiful flowers curl up during the day. Its beautiful flowers curls up during the day when it is hot and is in full bloom early in the morning. What is the name of the flower, beautiful flower which curl up during the day, curls up during the day when it is hot and is in full bloom? It fully blooms, खिल जाता है early in the morning. Morning में खिल जाता है और जब बहुत गर्मी होती है when there is too much heat वो कर्ल अप हो जाता है, ऊपर की तरफ सिमट जाता है. ओके, दैट इज मॉर्निंग ग्लोरी. MORNING glory. Morning glory is the name of the flower. Okay, so these are some of the facts, these are some of the interesting things that we have learned in this session about the GK. Okay, I don't think there will be any problem. Answers were over there. If it is not there, you can tell me, sir, answer is not there. I can make it available to you. Okay, now it's time to note down your homeworks, please. And your homework will be Yes, you have to learn chapter 11 to 14. So you get these things learned by heart. Okay, learn chapter number 11 to 14. That is your homework. Keep learning, keep studying, so that you don't lag behind in the studies, so that you won't remain at the back. Okay, so keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye, have a nice day.